On a typical sample part that I've seen for 3D printed parts, usually I'm trying to remove these small kind of defects or lines. And usually what I found is if you use 35 micron or 50 micron glass bead, it basically will kind of smooth out the lines and give a good kind of sheen finish. The other thing that I've found is around these areas, we're trying to remove or smooth out the lines as well. The hard thing about processing these types of parts that I've found in the past is the way the part is either constructed or put together. It's different layers, and as soon as you remove one layer, you basically find another layer, and that is going to cause other issues. But it's just kind of figuring out what abrasive will work for that specific type of material. It's usually what I found is 35 or 50 micron glass bead or 50 micron sodium bicarbonate works the best on these types of applications that I've seen in the past. So that would be a two-step process. So the first step, I would use aluminum oxide, probably 17.5 micron or 50 micron aluminum oxide to remove the caviar. And what we found in the past with customers is that will leave kind of a matte finish. And what we like to do is some customers like to have a sheen put back on. And what I found is if you use 35 micron glass bead at 30 psi, that brings kind of the lust or that shine back that customers like. And that's usually what we have found in the past, removing the caviar on titanium type materials.